Hey guys, I hope all of you are fine and doing well in your lives. Friends, my today's video is very creative and unique in itself because in this video I am going to share very easy, simple, creative hand embroidery design ideas for baby girl dresses, baby girl frocks, and not this video is beneficial for you to get crazy, stylish, latest and easy trendy ideas related to baby girl frock embroidery ideas, but you can also get very beautiful, simple and easy to make stitching, cutting, styling, designing patterns of your baby girl dresses as well. So before going into the details of this video, I have a simple request to you that if you are new to my channel or you haven't subscribed my channel or you are watching my videos for the very first time, then please don't forget to subscribe my channel, and while subscribing press the bell icon so that you could remain notified with the latest updates and uploads of my video. So with this, now let's move back towards our main content. As you know that summer is coming, and in summers our basic focus is to keep our babies, our baby girls soft, comfy and stylish. So by using these exact color combination of embroidery patterns, these stitching and styling patterns, your baby will look extremely attractive and eye-catchy. So very simple and stylish hand embroidery patterns along with very simple and easy, delicate, look giving stitching patterns have been shared. So if you are an embroidery beginner or you are a lover of self-designing your baby dresses, clothes, or you are learning or you want to get some stylish and easy ideas related to stitching of your baby dresses, then this video collection is absolutely for you. With this, allow me to leave, and I will soon be back with you along with some new designer and stylish collection of dresses, hand art, hand embroidery and many more creative stuff. Up till then, take care of yourselves and stay blessed. But don't forget to subscribe my channel and stay tuned for my next videos.